Hey automotive enthusiasts, ever jumped into your car, turned the key, and nothing? While most of us immediately blame the battery or fuel system, there's a sneaky culprit that might be causing your starting troubles: your catalytic converter. Stick around, because today we're diving deep into how this emissions control device can actually prevent your car from starting, and more importantly, how to fix it. Understanding your catalytic converter. First things first, what exactly is a catalytic converter? Think of it as your car's environmental guardian, sitting between your engine and muffler. Inside, there's an intricate honeycomb structure coated with precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. These metals aren't just expensive, they're your exhaust system's chemical wizards, transforming harmful gases into less toxic substances. Warning signs. But here's the thing, when your catalytic converter starts failing, it doesn't go quietly. Let's talk about the warning signs you need to watch for. Is your car feeling sluggish, especially when you're trying to pass someone on the highway? Notice your fuel economy taking a nosedive? These are your car's way of waving red flags. How it prevents starting. Speaking of red flags, if you're catching a whiff of rotten eggs or strong exhaust fumes, your converter might be crying for help. And that pesky check engine light? It might be your oxygen sensors, detecting something's not quite right with your emission system. But here's where it gets interesting. And by interesting, I mean potentially stranding you in your driveway. When your catalytic converter becomes severely clogged, it's like putting a cork in your car's exhaust system. Your engine needs to breathe both in and out, and a clogged converter can disrupt this crucial balance. Solutions and costs. Now, before we get to the solutions, if you're finding this information helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and hit subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our website, yourmotorcare.com, where we've got a detailed article about this topic and many more automotive insights to keep your ride running smooth. Let's talk solutions. And yes, we're going to talk about costs, because knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your wallet. Professional diagnosis is crucial here. A qualified mechanic can run tests to confirm if your converter is truly the culprit. Sometimes, cleaning might do the trick. There are catalytic converter cleaners available, and we've included trusted product links in the description below. But here's the reality check. If cleaning doesn't cut it, replacement might be necessary. Current replacement costs typically range from $950 to $2,800, depending on your vehicle. Yes, that's a significant investment, but it's cheaper than a new car. Prevention tips. Want to prevent these issues? Here's your game plan. Keep your engine properly tuned, address check engine lights promptly, and use the recommended fuel grade. And speaking of engine sounds, if you're hearing popping from your exhaust, check out our video on car exhaust popping sound. I'll link it in the end screen. Before we wrap up, here's a quick troubleshooting tip. If you must start your car with a suspected converter problem, try starting in neutral instead of park, and keep the RPM slightly elevated until the engine warms up. But remember, this is just a temporary fix. Get it checked out properly as soon as possible. There you have it, folks. Now you know why that catalytic converter might be the hidden reason your car won't start, and more importantly, what to do about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive insights. Drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with catalytic converter issues. We'd love to hear your experience. Stay tuned to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks to keep your ride running smooth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.